This is Splash, a new kind of system dynamics software for students, teachers, or anyone interested in systems. Splash combines liquid physics with system dynamics to create an intuitive, fun modeling tool for exploring how systems work. The model library in Splash is where work is stored. Next, we're going to open up an existing model on the carbon cycle. The model has a tub at the bottom to represent all the CO2 that's in the land and sea, and an inverted container for CO2 in the atmosphere. The levers control the natural emission and absorption of CO2. As we simulate, notice that the system is in dynamic equilibrium. That means that the model is moving and running, but the CO2 levels stay constant over time. In a variety of ways, including the use of fossil fuels, humans create CO2 that goes into the atmosphere. So we need another pipe and a control lever to represent these anthropogenic emissions from the land and sea to the atmosphere. We'll set this flow to reverse the gravity of whatever's flowing through it so that the CO2 flows up and into the atmosphere instead of falling back down. Students could work with this model to make the human production of CO2 more realistically represent how the system works. Let's tap play again and resimulate. This time, the level of CO2 in the atmosphere is continuously rising. And as before, we can look at the graphs that track how the system is behaving over time. We now have a detailed design for the software and are excited to bring it to life. If you'd like to see Splash become a reality, share this video with others and consider sponsoring this project. Thanks for watching from the Splash team.